613. What's your date of birth again, Jesus Garcia? What's your date of birth? Uh-huh. Stop. Stop! Stop! Police! Roll the window down. Leave your hands where I can see them. Okay, just leave your hands where I can see them. I don't know that. Roll your window down, ma'am. Open the door.
I don't have.
Step over here.
No.
We're not doing nothing wrong, sir.
I'm looking for my keys. I can't find them. This is a pinball gun.
Okay, what's in his waist right there?
That's a pinball gun.
It's a pinball gun, sir.
Step out.
We're not
Step
doing
out.
nothing wrong, though.
Step out, ma'am.
I don't need to step out.
Step out now, or I'm gonna pull you out.
You cannot pull me out. Excuse me, I'll call your sergeant. I want your
Come
sergeant.
on.
I want your sergeant.
Ma'am.
Don't touch me.
Ma'am, step out,
Don't
please.
touch me.
Step out.
Don't touch me.
Step
I
out.
want to record this right now.
Go ahead, step out.
I want to record this.
So here's a case where a couple is just sitting in the parking lot. They're minding their own business. Doesn't appear that they're up to anything unlawful. And here comes a LCPD police officer who has no legal grounds to detain them, but he does anyways, based on them being there after some set of visitation hours that he references that I can't find anywhere. So I won't say he's wrong, but it's some information that seems to be pretty hard to find. Now, according to the district attorney, from the very beginning of Mr. Hernandez's interaction with Ms. Gomez, the ability to manage protocol is non-existent. His interactions with her, just on a human level, was exceptionally subpar and did not meet the standards that LCPD demands of its officers.
Don't touch me.
Step out.
No.
Come on, hurry up.
No.
Who are you here visiting?
I'm Butterfly.
It's too late to be visiting Butterfly.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I came out to look for my keys.
This is public housing, ma'am.
I
Step out.
understand that. No,
Step out.
no, sir. Don't touch me, sir.
Okay. You're gonna get tased.
No, you're not going to take
Step out then.
I'm going to call
Sir, we're not
Step-
doing nothing wrong.
You are. I'm asking you to step out. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay.
Step
I'll
out.
Step out. Why don't you step out, though?
So I can talk to you. This guy has paintball guns. I don't know what else he has there.
It's just a pinball
It doesn't matter, ma'am. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
It still looks like a fucking gun, does it not?
No,
Yes, it does.
it's just a laser gun.
Step over here, right here.
Sir, look here.
I'm looking
If
for my
you pull
keys so I
that
can
out
go
again,
home.
bro,
Oh,
we're gonna have
sorry.
fucking issues. Show me your face. Show me your face.
I'm not doing nothing, sir.
Jesus Garcia.
I'm not.
Holy fuck.
So the officer just asked her, who are you here visiting? He wasn't really sure if she was a visitor or not. So again, there's no grounds for detainment, even if she was a visitor. And then as the clip goes on, you see that he identifies the passenger as someone who's trespassed from the property. So at this point, we can say, okay, he has reasonable articulable suspicion or probable cause even to make this arrest if the trespass has already been issued. But he did not know that until he saw the guy's face. So up until this point, it's still considered an illegal detainment.
You're back on the fucking
No,
property,
I'm not.
though.
I'm in the car.
You're on the property.
Sir, come
You're
on.
on the property.
I'm in the
Judge
property.
told you not to be here. Didn't I rip your ass last time?
Yeah, I know, but I'm not in the
You're
property.
gonna get a warrant
sir.
out for your fucking arrest.
What
Step
the
over here.
fuck?
Shut the fuck up. Come here, man. Come here.
Why?
Here's what's going on. Okay?
What the fuck? You're saying
This is
in the
public
car.
housing.
Okay.
Okay? There's rules and regulations that need to be fucking followed.
Okay.
Okay? He's trespassed.
I didn't know.
Okay? He's trespassed. He has 5 warrants out for criminal trespassing. Okay? Judge already ripped his ass and told him not to be here. Guess what? He's here again. Okay? So again, I'm going to ask you, what are you doing here?
I'm looking for my keys. I was here visiting Butterfly.
At what time? What time did you leave at?
I just barely walked out her door and I'm looking for my keys because I can't find them anywhere. I might have left them in her house.
Okay. So what is your name?
My name is Terry.
Is that really your name?
Yes, it is.
Okay. What's your last name?
Why?
Ma'am, I'm doing a fucking investigation. You have a trespasser here right now.
I didn't know that.
That's what I'm telling you. What is your last
Let me
name?
just go get my keys.
What is your last
Let me just go
name?
get my keys.
What is your last name?
It's Leva.
Okay. What is your date of birth? You can do this one of two ways.
I don't have to answer this.
You do.
No, I don't.
You do.
Why?
You have to provide me with your name and date of birth. That is the
Why?
law.
So it's still yet to be determined if she's trespassing. He has no record of her as a trespasser, but maybe the passenger. So he should be more focused on the guy who's actually breaking the law and not the driver.
All right, if there's probable cause for as a crime being happening, he's already trespassed. That is my probable cause. Okay. Do you see what I'm saying, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. How do you want to do this? I can either listen to me. Okay. Don't make things fucking difficult for me. Okay. I've been doing this for the last 3 years. Okay. I know this area. I know cars that are supposed to fucking be here and cars that aren't supposed to be here. Okay. So let's not make this fucking difficult because I will really make your life a living hell. Do you hear me? Okay. I will tow your car. As a matter of fact.
No, you don't tow my car. I'm visiting her. She's allowed to have guests. Like now.
She's allowed to have guests at certain times, ma'am.
I did not know that. She did not tell me that.
Okay? Again, that's what I'm trying to explain to you.
Well, let me just
But
get
if
my
you
keys
want to
and
make
I'll
things
go.
difficult,
No, I don't
okay?
want things difficult.
So hear me out, okay? And just be quiet for like 10 seconds.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay?
Okay.
This is public housing.
Okay, I understand that.
There's rules and regulations that they sign when they first move in.
So according to the officer, they signed these rules and regulations when they first move in, which could explain why it's so hard to find if there are really visitation hours online. But even if that's the case, what we're about to see, her being there outside of visitation hours is not a justification. Let's keep watching.
And I'm not the one
Okay?
breaking the rules.
Ma'am,
She is
you
then.
keep... Obviously. Okay? But still, you're here.
I tried
Okay?
to leave. I
It doesn't
my
matter.
keys.
You're here and you don't live here. I know
Oh,
that for a fact.
I found him.
Okay? So listen to me.
Okay.
Okay? And please just be quiet.
Okay.
Okay? You're trespassing, number one.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Number two, okay? You're not allowed to be here past certain hours.
I did not know that.
Listen to me, okay? Can you just shut the fuck up, lady, for 10 fucking seconds?
Why are you talking to me
Because
like
you don't
that?
listen. You don't listen. You're just like Jesus Garcia.
No,
You want to
I'm not.
argue all the time, okay? But you're not listening.
Can you just give me a
There's
trespass
rules.
ticket and I'll go?
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Why not?
Okay? Number one, this car isn't drivable.
Yes, it is.
Okay, that closes. Okay? Number two,
It's not stolen. It's insured.
I didn't say it
it's
was stolen.
registered.
Okay? Okay? So you're trespassing though. Okay? Those
I
rules.
didn't know that.
I don't care if you know it or not. I'm telling you. And the fact that you're making it difficult, I'm asking you to fucking step out of the fucking car, that's resisting obstructing. Okay? Yeah. When I ask you to do something, you gotta step the fuck out. Okay? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So next time you're here and you're visiting Butterfly at these strange fucking hours of the time, remember that. Rules and regulations.
Okay, I'm
You
sorry.
can't be
I'm
here
sorry.
past certain fucking hours.
I'm sorry.
This is an elderly, disabled community.
I'm sorry.
That's why these rules and regulations are here.
I'm sorry.
Okay?
Yes.
So, again, what is your fucking name?
Can you be nice?
Yes, what's your name?
Terry.
Terry what?
Garcia.
Garcia, what's your date of birth?
That's his last name. I'm sorry. It's Terry
Yeah,
Leva.
I was gonna say, you just lied to me once
It's
already,
Terry
so
Leva.
you're
It's
about to
Terry
get put in
Leva. It's
handcuffs.
Terry Leva.
Okay, thank you. What is your date of birth? Terry with the Y or with an IE?
Why?
What's your date of birth again? So let me ask you, do you have warrants? No?
I know.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
Oh, yes, but not on me. I have a picture of it.
No, it's fine. So if I run your name, you're gonna have a valid driver's license.
Yes.
Okay. Jesus Garcia, be aware, I'm gonna put a warrant out for your arrest. You're back on the property when you're told not to be.
Is he going to get arrested now?
Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay? Again, you make stupid fucking comments all the fucking time because you don't want to listen. Okay? The judge told you, because I spoke to the judge the last time I put that warrant out, you're not to be on the property. Doesn't matter if you're in the fucking car. Doesn't matter if you're flying over the fucking air. You're on the property. Okay? I'm going to put a warrant out for your arrest. Okay? Be aware about who you hang out with, ma'am. Stand by real quick. 84 Central. 1396 Burley Court. I'll be out with two code 24 individuals. Going to channel 2.
Can I get him to sit down?
You can have a seat now. 80% on two. What's your date of birth again, Jesus Garcia? What's your date of birth? Uh-huh. 80% on two. Stop. Stop!
So Officer Hernandez decided to shoot Mrs. Gomez because she started her vehicle and proceeded to drive away. There was no threat coming towards Officer Hernandez. He fired at a elderly woman who was driving away from him. And according to the Gomez's family, they have filed a federal wrongful death lawsuit against the city and police alleging excessive force and violation of her civil rights. The La Cruz Police Department lack of internal oversight and supervision has allowed a culture of aggression to develop, promoting an acceptance of unlawful use of deadly force, contributing to the preventable death of Teresa Gomez. This was a statement shared by Mrs. Gomez's family. Now, he's been charged with second-degree murder, which he has not been sentenced as of yet. Now, in New Mexico, second-degree murder carries a maximum penalty of 15 years in prison. But State Senator Mo Mestes has been fighting since the year 2012, all the way up into 2024, to get the second-degree murder charge increase from 15 years maximum to 18 years maximum. Not a large difference, but it is an increase. Senate Bill 96 actually passed this year, actually in February in New Mexico, raising that maximum 15-year sentence to 18 years. So if Officer Hernandez is convicted and given the maximum penalty, his outlook or his prison stay will be 18 years in prison, which, if you ask me, even that's too low, but that's where it stands. I'd like to know your thoughts on this video. Make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. And you always have to record police. Without this recording, who knows what would have happened. If you need a body cam or a dash cam, down below, pinned in the comment section as well. You can find body cams and dash cams that I use myself personally, and I know others also use the same dash and body cams. Make sure you're always recording, just in case you bump into a tyrant, you have it on video. All right, record the police, know your rights. With that being said, We the People University, signing off. Be sure to visit WeThePeopleUniversity.com, where you can find our latest YouTube videos, more about myself, why I left the police department, merch, and more. If you have a police encounter that you would like highlighted, visit our website and click the Submit Videos tab. Fill out the video form submission so that we can hold these tyrants accountable. And if you guys still haven't purchased my book, Living in the Royal Tyranny, you can do so at WeThePeopleUniversity.com by clicking digital copy to read it right on your phone, or you can buy the hard copy or the paperback directly from Amazon. Also, be sure to pick up your free ebook to give you tips and tricks on how to deal with cops when you encounter them. And for those of you who are still trying to learn your basic rights, register for our course to learn how to deal with police so that your rights are not violated when you encounter cops. All this and more at WeThePeopleUniversity.com.